It's like having a creative designer with all of your brand assets and everything that you have on your website that you can just throw ideas at. We are trying out Pomelli by Google. Actually, how do you pronounce this? How do you pronounce this word?
New AI tool called Pomelli.
We are trying out Pomelli by Google. Let's get started and see what this is. As you know what, quick breakdown. It looks like it's a brand generator, so it can go ahead and generate content for your business. We're going to test it out and see how it works. It is a Google Labs experiment. So as you can see here, it generates on-brand social media campaigns. That's pretty interesting. So let's see how it works. Generate business DNA, get campaign ideas, and generate creatives. Okay, let's go. And it wants our URL. So, oh, sweet. Free plug for myself here, HabitHuddle.com. Oh, look, it's going to take about 10 minutes, but here we go. So HabitHuddle is it's a group habit tracker that's sort of a self-improvement social network. If you guys want to try it, you should, because it's awesome. The link will be in the description. But while Pomelli here does some work, we'll see what it's doing. It's summarizing our business, finding our logos. It was generating colors. Oh, look at this. Okay, yeah, that's pretty close. It got some screenshots. Now we'll use your business DNA to generate social media campaigns. Okay, let's give it a shot. Now, this tool by Pomelli is an experiment by Google. It's Google Labs. So Google Labs are just like, let's try something out and see if it sticks. The problem isn't you. The problem is going solo. Overwhelming lists lead to burnout, not success. The images it's using aren't great because I haven't updated my images in a while, but this is really cool. Let's see if we can make some changes. Header. Oh, and we can use AI. Okay, so let's try to generate a call to action. That's what I just clicked here. Let's see what happens when we generate this call to action. Build one habit. That's pretty much exactly what I want for my call to action, because the concept of HabitHuddle is to join a habit group and select one habit that you're going to focus on. Everyone tries to do 100 things at once, but imagine you spent a year just focusing on exercising every single day, or reading every single day, or practicing an instrument every single day, and you just did it for a year. You would get really good at it. Okay, so it's built off of the images that it scrapes. This is for the story. This is for your feed. This is for Square. Header, description, call to action, generate. This is pretty cool. I can see a lot of companies finding a lot of use for this. Business DNA. Okay, so this is your brand guidelines, which is pretty cool. I have to update my logo. I'm using a slightly older version, but let's expand this. Oh, cool. It's got our taglines, building better habits together one day at a time. I do want to change that. Brand values, consistency, accountability, community support, simplicity. Exactly. Brand tone of voice, motivational, direct, empowering, community focus. Exactly what I want. Business overview. HabitHuddle is a habit tracking and community platform designed to help users build lasting habits through social accountability. Check. This is so cool because it just rips everything. It's like having a creative designer with all of your brand assets and everything that you have on your website that you can just throw ideas at. Okay, check in anywhere, stay consistent, highlights the flexibility of convenience, ditch the solo habit struggle, your streak doubled. Why? Okay, but what do I do with this? So if I click it, oh, so the campaign that I click on generates the images. That's cool. So now this is the type of campaign that I'm trying to push for. I wish I had better images on my website right now, but I don't. But that's okay. It's still pretty cool. Oh, here, look at this. It generated its own. Check in anywhere, stay consistent. HabitHuddle syncs across mobile, web, Discord for streamless tracking. It does. It doesn't look like this, but still, it's like you get the point. Okay, so that's our recent campaign. I can delete the campaign. Oh, so these are all campaigns. And these are all suggested based on the business DNA. So I can create my own campaigns. So if I uploaded better images and had better material for Pomelli, like this would be incredible. So for reference, if I go to HabitHuddle.com, you can see where it picked all my colors, where it took my images from. These are outdated images, but that's fine. It grabbed these images. It grabbed the font from the page. it took everything that I'm working with here and it created a pretty good brand guideline. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with this then. And let's try something else. We're going to try Photo AI. Photo AI is an AI image generator that generates photographs of people. It's mostly of people, but you can do rooms, you can do headshots, you can do there's a ton of stuff. This is made by Levels.io, and he's kind of crushing it with the photo AI stuff. The other guy who's doing this is what's his name? Danny Postma? Yeah, it's Danny Postma. But let's take a quick look here. So Fire Your Photographer, he's got tons of images here for them to go through. He's got lots of brand colors, lots of, oh, cool, little animated videos that you can make. This is cool. This is cool. So they're going to be pulling, Google's going to be pulling a lot of information, or should I say Pomelli is going to be pulling a lot of information here to determine what the visual aesthetics are like here, and then it's probably going to pull a lot of these images that are available. Now you can see that Levels is kind of a king of PSEO here, programmatic SEO. He's got all these different types of photo AI image generation subgenres that all link to different pages, so he knows what he's doing. I guess we'll wait for this and see how it goes. Okay, we're back. Let's see what they got. Pulled in a ton of images, brand color and voice, #1 AI photographer. I like that. You know what? Looks good to me. Let's see what it does. Need model photo shoots? Stop spending $10,000 in 3 weeks. There's a better way. It does show you the screenshot of his account. Let's generate a call to action and see how it adjusts this. Nice. So it moved the image on top and then put the header underneath the image, the description, and then the call to action. That looks really good. So you could probably, let's see if we change the image here to something else. Well, this is better because this highlights generating an actual photo. So you don't want just a regular photo. This looks like you're selecting different models, which is, I mean, the AI did a great job here. It's selecting a different model. Cool. That's pretty awesome. Can you export this? Yeah, you can download it. Let's try to tweet at Levels. Okay, that's cool. Let's try another one. Let's see how this, oh, I like this one. So this is so cool. Limitless variety, zero cost. Like, look at this, just generating sweet stuff. Create a campaign for a company that wants to use models to showcase their product line. It looks like that's what this is, actually. Looks awesome. And let's go back and see the other campaign that it made. Upgrade your first impression, infinite models, finite budget. Your best self, this one right here, infinite models, finite budget. And let's see what the best image it creates is. This is good. Okay, let's generate a call to action on this one. I think this will be our last one. This is looking cool. Generate now. I mean, it's perfect. So that's Pomelli by Google.